Hey guys, welcome back. Twinkly Frog here again, and today we're going to be building ourselves a really cool little machine. It is a semi-automatic tree machine. This will work on PC, Xbox 360, and PS3, and I'm assuming Xbox One. Haven't gotten a lot of chance to test out the Xbox One version. I have a friend that has it. Sometimes I go over his house and we test out stuff there, but he does a lot of other stuff, so I don't always get a chance to. So let's get started. Now, as usual, of course, you got to pick some place to put it. Whoops, wrong button. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is go pistons 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 5, and 6. Now I'm using clay. You can, of course, use any solid, non-gravity affected block. Clay, cobble, dirt, it doesn't matter. Boom, boom. Now, I know you guys in Xbox don't have the clay yet, so use something else. Use stone bricks, whatever. You can put some redstone here and here. And then guys, something to place a block. In case you never noticed, redstone has a little marker blocks here. Right on the side, and bam, you will place right there. Okay, and then boom, there. And for this one, we want to go here and here. And another dust with... and then for this one, can't place on the side of one of these because if you do, it'll just click it. So just do like that. Don't need that block there though. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you just put dust here. Now basically guys, if you didn't notice, what we're doing here is we're just walking the signal up. The signal is going to start here, we're bringing it up, and it's just walking the signal up, so it affects all the pistons. It looks complicated, but it's really quite simple process. So the next thing we're going to do is how we're going to power this whole thing. It's real simple. Here, put a block here, 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 and here. Break that one, you don't really need it. Then you're going to put dust here, here, and here, there, and there. Now here you're going to put another repeater down because you don't want this redstone to connect. It'll disable the system, it won't work right. So you go like that, and that keeps this line from connecting to that line. Alright, so next thing we know, we need the power to run this bad boy. So we're going to go 2 here like so. Repeater there, some sort of power system. You can use a torch. I like to use a lever because I can turn it off. Okay, now next thing you want to do is, I always like to test it before I put the actual frame on it. So you go like so, your tree grew. Say this is your tree right here. Bam, that's always on. There you go. Same thing here. And boom. Yep. So there you go. Now you can see how it's kind of going to work there. Now you're going to want to frame this out a little bit to keep the leaves from going and the crazy trees, the ones with the huge limbs and stuff from forming. So you want to kind of go like that. Now I was watching a video by a guy, I think his name was Mr. Walter. He said signs will help with foliage growth. The leaf growth. So here we go. Let's see if he's right. I know he makes tree farms, and whenever he does it, he puts signs all around everywhere. And let's face it, you're building a tree farm, yeah, wood's not going to be a problem. So yeah, plus that kind of looks cool. Kind of like the look of that too. So there you go. So guys, that is the entire building right there. Now, used to be many versions ago with Minecraft, one click with one piece of bone meal made whatever grow. As you all are well aware now, it has been very nerfed. This can take anywhere. I've seen it take half a stack to grow. So you're going to want to make sure you have yourself a nice little skeleton farm. And trust me, it will grow. Sometimes I think it just takes longer because it's creative. I'm not sure. Come on. Oh, and one other thing. You can only use this on oak. And the reason being is because oak is the only thing that'll grow with other stuff beside it. Oh my god, really? See, earlier this thing grew. Look at that. I move, bam, first pop it grows. It's funny. Maybe that's a trick. Who knows? Okay, now you see how it works here with one more tree. And there you go. Now you get the concept. The creative trees are kind of weird. They always seem to grow 4 for some reason. But you will get pretty much every time a 6 tree in a non-creative world. So guys, as usual, please leave a like, subscribe, share us with your friends, leave comments of what you'd like to see next below, and as always, God bless.